Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the Amoena Women's Hana Front Closure Wire-Free Comfort Bra. This isn't just any bra. It's hailed as one of the best post-mastectomy bras on the market. Let's dive into what makes this bra stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about comfort. The Amoena Women's Hana Bra is crafted with ultra-soft fabric, offering a snug and non-restrictive fit. This is crucial, especially during the post-surgery period, where comfort is paramount for recovery. Now, let's delve into the features. This bra is thoughtfully designed with cut and sewn cotton pockets, making it incredibly gentle on sensitive skin. Plus, the front closure design makes it easy to put on, which is a game-changer for those with limited mobility post-surgery. But wait, there's more. The bra also features padded, stretch fabric straps with front fasteners, ensuring both support and convenience. And with an extended size range up to 4XL, there's something for everyone. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best bra post-mastectomy, look no further than the Amoena Women's Hana Front Closure Wire-Free Comfort Bra. With its unparalleled comfort, thoughtful design, and glowing customer reviews, it's truly a standout product. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay comfortable and confident.